Hey there, welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make 15 bean soup.
15 bean soup? I guess they put them all together so you can try them out, see which ones you like.
Don't let Randy pull your turkey leg. He's had 15 bean soup before. Totally good. Very minimal ingredients. Does take hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes. Still good. All right, you're gonna need some 15 bean soup mix. Now, I did not realize that it was going to turn into this many beans. I don't know why I didn't. Maybe, I don't know. But anyway, after it's soaked overnight, this is what a pound of mixed 15 beans looks like. But we're going to get that in the pot. I have a smoked turkey leg. Now you can use a turkey leg or any other smoked turkey, or you can use smoked ham. Smoked ham works great too. A little bit of chicken bouillon and water. All right, put my beans in. I'm going to use this big old stock pot because I'm not sure if they'll all fit in my Dutch oven. So I'm going to put my beans in my pot. All right, we're just going to drop that big old turkey leg right down in that pot. And then I'm going to fill it with water till I just cover that turkey leg. Okay, and that took a whole gallon of water to get all the beans and the turkey leg covered. Now I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. Okay, now I'm going to get this on high and get this to boiling. I'm going to put that lid on there to help it along. And then don't go anywhere because there's more ingredients to go in the pot. That's just all I do for the first hour. You know, you layer things to make the flavors meld. All right, we've been going for an hour now. I've turned it down, you know, I got it up to the boil, and then I turned it down, and it's just been cooking for an hour. We're going to add just a few more ingredients. Okay, what you're going to need is some smoked paprika, some chili powder, some cumin, some thyme. We're going to saute some celery and carrots and onion and garlic. And we're going to put a can of fire roasted tomatoes in there. Okay, we're going to get this medium to large onion and 2 carrots and that cup of celery, which is about 2.5 stalks of celery, but you know, mine's frozen. As I do that, I put it up so I don't have to pay all that high dollar in the fall. But we're going to cut the carrots in half and do them first because I can. Alright, and we're just going to make little small half medallions. Hey, that carrot did not want to come in half. I don't know why. My knife's plenty sharp enough. Guess I'm getting tired. It's late. Let me do this. Now I'm going to move those off the cutting board because it just isn't big enough to do that and the onion. I thought it was, but it's not. Alright, now we're going to get this onion cut up. This is a yellow onion. Yellow onions just work better in soups and stews. If I'm cooking, you know, stir fries and stuff like that, then I always use Vidalia or Mexican sweet or something. But for soups and stews where it's got to cook for a long time, yellow onions are the way to go. And they're generally less expensive. Now I'm going to get this eye on to a medium. About right there, medium, just over medium, medium high. Right, I'm going to put a little olive oil in there now that my pan's hot. Probably like a teaspoon or two, just enough to saute these veggies. That's all I'm going to do. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with the onions. Hear that sizzle? My pan was hot enough. Okay, now I'm going to throw the celery in there. And I'm going to throw the carrots in there. And I'm going to cook those until they're almost soft. Alright, now those are soft. I'm going to put a tablespoon, and you know what, I don't have that much left in there. And it's just water, so I'm just going to dump it all in there. Okay. 1 can of fire roasted tomatoes. Give that a little stir. Just look at all that flavor. All that flavor going in that bean pot. Alright, now let's add some seasoning. 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. You can use regular, but I really like the smoked in this because we're using that smoked turkey, and that's just going to add that extra flavor. Then we're going to do 1 chili powder. Teaspoon. These are all teaspoons. And it's 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin. And 1 teaspoon of thyme. Now we're going to give that a good stir. See, there's no way these beans can't taste just out of this world. All right, now we're going to pour all this goodness in that bean pot.
I was just talking with Tammy, and I told her, I hope them beans don't mess up that. That looked real good. Man, oh man.
Now we're just going to let this sit for another hour. Alright, my hour's up. I got to taste my beans. And then I think we're ready for dinner. Y'all, these are good. Alright, let's get this served up. Oh my goodness. y'all. Look at that. Let's get some of that. Nice turkey. Oh, yeah.
We're gonna see what these beans did to that pot of goodness. Boy, that sure did look good though, didn't it?
With a big old slab of crusty bread. You don't even need rice. You just need chunky bread.
Mmm. Well, honey, looks like I'm gonna need a bigger bowl.
Yep.
That's good, guys. All right, we'll talk at you later. You guys have a great one. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.